and Pride, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing an unboxing of some stuff I ordered from a mystery box. I ordered 2 different mystery boxes expecting to get like a box of stuff, and I got like singular items. And we're just gonna see what they sent. I guess we're gonna completely open up everything and see exactly what they sent. So like I said, I got 2 things, only 2. I think I ordered these off of Alibaba. Was it Alibaba? It was either Alibaba or eBay. I'm pretty sure it was Alibaba. But here we go. We're gonna start with the first thing, and the first thing is literally the first thing I ordered because I kind of sort of already know what these are because the guy told me what they were gonna be. So I pre-opened everything. I marked out. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So he basically messaged me telling me that these were gonna be headphones, and that they are headphones. But what he told me was that they're gonna be Pro, I guess iPad Pro headphones, but these don't, from the box, these don't look like iPad Pros. So I guess we have to open it up and see completely what's inside. This could be, I don't know, cause I don't know. Like I said, I was expecting the whole mystery box. Okay, fingernails. Thank you. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's going on inside. Oh, okay. This box is a dupe. Oh, it's a dupe. This is what we got. Actual Apple AirPod Pros. Okay, that's kind of cool, I guess. At least we know he wasn't lying. I'm not pristine at unboxing Apple products.
No, you ain't.
So I pull this tab and this tab. Okay, I'm gonna just do it like this. And then take this out and boom. Okay, wow. Oh God. This is what's in the box. Set this down, and you're gonna get out, slide it out. Okay, so these are obviously dupes, I think. I mean, granted, I have never seen an iPad Pro headphones. I don't even know if they make noises. I don't know if they are, but I'm pretty sure the whole case is white. It doesn't have that silver piece. Not sure though. I could be wrong. I could be completely fucking wrong. But and it makes like a slight noise when you open and close it. See? I don't know if that's a thing with these, you know, but I guess in a sense I could connect them to my phone and see how they sound. I put the case in my pocket. In my ear. Alright, so I'm gonna just turn on a song. How loud are these already set to? These actually aren't bad. Let's try a different song. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these at like the sound because I love when I have headphones in to have my sound loud. And if I'm yelling right now at the camera, it's because of the headphones. Oh God. But these sound and feel low key amazing in the ear. I guess I have another pair of headphones, earbuds. All right, that makes three. But who cares? I need a case because the color white for electronics does never sits right with me. But yeah, these are gonna be the backup for my Galaxy ones, and oh, they have a little strap thing too. If I had to rate these from this mystery box, so they were like, I think it was like $30. The mystery box was like $30. I'd say I'd give it like a 9.5, 9.7 out of 10. I mean, honestly, I should just give it a 10 out of 10 because he actually was telling the truth. Granted, like I said, these are probably fake, but I mean, as long as the sound quality is good, I don't give a fuck if they're fake or real. I just like music. To be honest with you, I just like music. The next mystery item came in this box, and it was about $30 too. So, like I said, I pre-opened everything. Let's go ahead and open everything up. So, oh wow. I got a smartwatch. Now, I don't need a smartwatch. Mine is currently upstairs charging. I don't need a smartwatch. But, I probably need to upgrade mine. Because mine is kind of old. But, here's it out the box. So it's basically like an Apple Watch. Yeah, it's basically like an Apple Watch. I would plug it up and connect it to my phone, but I don't really want to do that. Yeah, it's basically like a fake Apple Watch. So, I don't know. It wasn't bad. Probably hold on this for another month or two, and it'll be a surprise birthday gift for somebody. So I don't. Like I said, I don't need it. Based off the quality and everything that comes with it, comes with the charger, comes with the thing, I'll give that like a. I didn't test it, so I can't. This isn't getting EG'd in the review, but based off it looks good, it feels good, it looks nice, so I'd give it a good old 9.5 out of 10. I just like decimals at this point. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time on the channel. And make sure you follow all my socials. They're all linked down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.